Welcome to Hydrology Hub. You go to channel for everything related to hydrologic and hydraulic modeling. In this video, we are diving into the essential workflow for river analysis, extracting river cross sections from a digital elevation model DEM using the HEC-RAS. Whether you are a student, researcher or professional working on flood modeling or river engineering, this step is crucial for building accurate 1D and 2D models in HEC-RAS. Before we get hands-on, let's briefly understand what we are doing. Cross-sections represents the shape of the river, channel, flood and floodplain. Extracting them from DEM allows us to input realistic geometry into the HEC-RAS, which improves the accuracy of our flow simulation. Today we will use HEC-RAS with RAS Mapper, and I will walk you through each step of the process. Here is what you will need: a high resolution DEM of your study area, HEC-RAS software of the latest version, GIS shape files for stream, center line and bank lines if available. But don't worry, I will show you how to digitize each of them. Now let's start. First of all, what we will do, I'll just open HEC-RAS. So first I'll open the HEC-RAS. So here is the HEC-RAS. We'll open. So I'll just open this one. So now the HEC-RAS window is open. This is the HEC-RAS we have. Now first of all, the first step is that we'll create a project with the file as a new project. So now we are giving the name of this project as cross CS1 cross section 1. Okay. Just click OK. So that means now your project is created as a CS1 and it is being saved in the document file. Now go to the option and see whether we are using the correct unit system or not. So go to the unit system and just click on the SI or the metric system. You see. So we'll click over here in the metric system. Okay. Now we are using the metric system. So now the second step is that we will open the RAS Mapper. So RAS Mapper icon is here. Just click over there. So RAS Mapper is open. Now, first of all, what we will do, we will go to the project and set the projection. It's a very, very important part, because whatever the DEM you are having, you have to first have the projection system for that. So we will have the projection system. So I have kept my data here in documents, DEM. So this projection system or the DEM I have taken. So apply this projection system. Just click apply and then OK. Now go to the document. Right click over there, create a new RAS layer, just click on the plus sign and then select the DEM. So I have selected this DEM. It's a TIFF file for the DEM. Open this one and then just click on the create button. So it will create the DEM for you. Just close this one. Now the DEM is created. Now to identify the river, so here in this case river is very much clear, but sometimes in the DEM river is not very clear. So what we do, we go to the map layer over there, right click there, add a web imagery. So you can add the Google map over there in the background and see where is the river is there. Okay, so this is the river we have. So in the DEM you just see, if we click over there, so here your river is there. Okay, so you can see where is our river is there. Okay, so what we will do here, in this case we will just impinge a flood value, or we will just have the cross sections of the river. So first of all I'll zoom this one, this DEM, so that we can just have the cross section over there. Okay, so first of all what I will do, I'll just go to the geometry data and create a new geometry. Okay, so we'll create a new geometry over there. So now the new geometry is created. Close this one and then go to edit geometry. So we will edit the geometry. First of all, we will edit the river. So first of all, we will make the center line of the river from here. Okay, we will just go and make the center line of the river. Just using the mouse, you can just, so from the left mouse click, you just go on clicking in the center line of the river. So we always use the left mouse key and go on clicking over there. Just I am marking over there. You can see I am marking the river center line. Okay, we will work up to this point only. So just I have marked over there and then just double click there. So the river center line is marked. So it says river 1, river reach. You can change the name also, name of the river. So I am just keeping river name as river 1 and reach name as reach 1. Okay, so this I have created. Now you can also create here the bank lines. So I'll just click over there and just make the bank line over there. We'll go for the bank line. Just similarly, you just from the left button, you just go on clicking. Left mouse button I am using, and with the cursor I am just moving this one, or with the mouse I am moving the cursor and just marking the left bank of the river. So these are the bank lines I am marking. So this now we will go to the right bank, and in the same way we will mark the right bank with the left mouse click, and using the mouse we will just quickly mark the right bank line we are marking. So this way we are marking the right bank line. It's very easy. Simply using mouse, just move the cursor, use the left mouse key, just go on clicking over there. And at the end just double click the button over there. So, and now just stop this one here. I have stopped. It says, do you want to save? Yes. Now another part is that I'll make the cross section lines over there. Again in the geometry, just see the edit geometry, just again click on the edit geometry. Now select here the cross section. Okay, and then here remember one thing, whenever you are marking the cross section, mark it from the left to right. Okay, this is the left, so I'll just click over there and then just double click the mouse button here. Now here again and it should be perpendicular to the center line. Always try to have perpendicular to the center line. So this way we are marking all the cross sections where we want the cross section of the river. Just go on marking. So this one wrongly we have done. So right, we'll go here. Oh, sorry. Yes. Go on marking the cross sections. So this way we have marked the cross sections. Now we will stop editing. Yes. File, save, and we will close this RAS mapper. Now we will open the here geometry data editor and file, open geometry. So we will open this geometry what we have saved. So it has come over there. Okay. Now you can see the cross section. So these are the cross section we have. So these are all cross section we have here. You can just see one by one all these cross sections are there. So these cross section are being extracted. So from here in the map also you can just see it is moving. Whatever the cross section we are selecting, these are moving over there. Okay. One by one these are the cross section we have. All these cross section we have. Okay, so this way you can just create the cross section in the HEC-RAS. Once your cross sections are extracted, review them. So you can review all these cross sections in the geometry editor. Make sure they accurately represent the terrain. You can manually adjust if you feel that somewhere the cross section is not correct. You can smoothen them. You are now ready to assign flow data for the simulation. Okay, and that's all. You have successfully created river cross sections from the DEM using HEC-RAS. This is a fundamental step for any model, and with practice it becomes a smooth process. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Hydrology Hub for more in-depth tutorials on hydrologic and hydraulic modeling. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.